Okay, you ready? You ready to dance?
Maybe that's too.
Okay, put your hands together. Now, put your hands together. Now make that face.
Can you do it? Are you just freestyling it?
Maybe that's.
Are you doing the brush your hair dance?
Maybe that's.
Here, give me that brush. Give me that brush. Alright, now you come here.
Dance.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, Daddy.
Put your fingers like this.
Daddy up.
Up on my toesies. Come here.
Come dance with Daddy. He's gonna show you how to dance.
I want you to do this.
Turn around.
Turn.
Mommy, turn around
Is
too.
that the turnaround dance you're teaching us how to dance now? Yeah.
Alright, let's see you
Ooh,
snap.
I like it. You the little flamenco dancer.
Here, come right here. I want to see you. Alright, let me see you snap and turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, dance with the doggy balloon dance.
Come on.
Oh!
Around.
Wow. Can you turn around, dance some more? Yeah.
Mommy, turn.
Okay, I'll turn around too.
Daddy.
Okay, I'll now do the head bop like this.
Silly, isn't it?
Here, let me see you. Oh! Alright, you stand right here. You stand right here. Now, let me see that head bop. Like this.